What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Expedition here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to mount a Rotopax can to the top of your Sherpa roof rack. So if you already have a roof rack on your 4Runner from Sherpa, then there is a bunch of different accessories that you can get to mount to it, one being a Rotopax can mount. So I have the mount here from Sherpa, I have a lockable Rotopax mount, and then the 2-gallon gas tank from Rotopax as well. So before we get the whole thing mounted onto the roof rack, I'm gonna get the Rotopax mount bolted to the Sherpa mount. So you're gonna need a 11mm socket and ratchet and an 11mm wrench. So we're going to be using the supplied hex bolts and washers with the nylock nuts on the 4 corners of the Rotopax mount. Alright, so now we're ready to go up on the roof rack and get this whole assembly mounted. So when it comes to mounting this onto your roof rack, you can put it pretty much anywhere you want. I would just suggest not putting it on the very back crossbar because you might run into an issue with opening the rear hatch. So I'm going to be mounting it on the second one here, and I'm going to get the bolts started for this and leave them loose and test fit this and see exactly where I want to put it before I tighten them down. So Sherpa provides these T-nuts here, which we're going to be putting it into the crossbar. So you're going to let them drop in like that and then push them down until they sit flat. So we're going to put all 4 of those in. Now we can go ahead and place this on, get 2 of our bolts started, and then just slide this until the other 2 line up and get those started as well. And then we're going to be using a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten these down once we have all 4 lined up. So I have these all started and they're just tight enough that I can move this around. I'm going to slip on our can. Now we can see exactly where we're going to mount it. So I'm going to get it close to the edge here, about flush, and I'm going to tighten that down there. Now we can go ahead and put our can on. So this is the Rotopax locking mount. So I'm going to take out the lock and we could slip down the can, get this lined up. Tighten it down, and we can go ahead and put our lock back in. So that's going to be it for this one. Install on this is fairly easy. Now, if you don't want to go with a fuel can, they also have water and storage as well. But if you're interested in anything we showed in this video from Sherpa or Rotopax, I'll put the links down in the description, and they're available on yotaexpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.